Hello, I'm Akash and today I'll be presenting the Tic Tac Toe game built by Project Group 25. So whenever you launch the application for the first time, you'll be presented with all these permissions. For now, I'll just click on Don't Allow. These are required for the play on two devices via the Bluetooth functionality, but in this video we'll cover the play against computer functionality. So at the top right you can see the settings button. When you click on the settings button, a settings dialog box is displayed where you can select the difficulty of the computer's decision making, so easy, medium and hard, and this will govern govern the decision making of the computer to decide what is the current best move it should play for the required board configuration. And for hard it will always try to play the best move. For easy it will be random. For medium it would be a 50% chance. And you can also change the audio of the game, the theme of the game, and also you can set a predefined preference whether you want to go first or you want the opponent to go first, or you want the random preference to be assigned every time whenever the game starts, or whether you want the application to ask for your preference every time you start a new game. When you click on view career screen, you can see there are no records displayed yet because we haven't played a game in a table format. So when I click on play against computer, it will ask me for my preference. So let's say I click on first. Because it is my turn, that's why at the top it has highlighted player, the player text. So, and I can click on any available boxes. So let's say I click here, and when I clicked here, it automatically after my turn the opponent took its turn, and the algorithm currently runs very fast, so that's why we added an intentional delay of 1 second. And during the 1 second you could see that a text of computer thinking was displayed. This increases the user experience or the gameplay experience. And also I can't click on the X or the O again. I can only click on the available boxes. So if I'm trying to click on X, nothing is happening. So let's say I click here, and yeah, I won this game. So whenever the application finds a match, or it draws a line and then automatically redirects to the score screen when all the results of the game are displayed. You can click on replay to play the game again. So I'll start this and I'll reset the game now. Now as you could see, I was trying to click on the second box in the top row even when it was computer's turn, but the application does not allow you to do so, so that's why nothing was being displayed. But after the computer took its turn, then then the marker got displayed. And while playing the game also you can change the difficulty. So now let's say I set it to hard, and because I won, so now in this score screen you can see the difficulty being displayed as hard as well. And all these things are also getting updated in the carrier screen. So as you can see here, so the latest record is displayed at the top, and yeah, this the records are sorted in the descending order of the date or the time when the game was played. So now let's say I set the preference to second every time, let's suppose. So this time I can play, and as you can see it did not ask me for my preference this time. So I'll try to lose this time, and yeah, so I'll and now if I click on the view career screen, so you can see the winner was computer at the top. This time let's say I set the preference, let's say for now I'll just set the preference to first, and I'll try to win, but most likely the game will end in a draw because the difficulty is hard. So as you can see, the game ended in a draw. Also the game automatically ends in a draw if it realizes that inevitably the game will end in a draw or not. Now I'll close the application and open the application again. I'll select don't allow again this time. Let's change the orientation of the game. Let's say I click on view. So now you can see the results are still shown here, and this list is scrollable. So I'll just quickly play one game. So I lost. If I go to view career, you can see it is scrollable. Thank you.